What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Chase. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I already unboxed it. This is from the Janet collection. So they sent me their Knowledge Rest Butterfly Born Locks. Now these are in the color one, jet black, because my hair is jet black, and they are extremely long 36-inch soft light butterfly born locks. This is what they look like. This is how long it is. I gotta back up. So 36 inches, that's gonna be, so my hair is right here, 36 inches, that's like my kneecap. That's gonna be like my kneecap. I am so excited for these. Thank you, Janet collection. I absolutely love y'all. You know what I'm saying? So they sent me not one, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They sent me 8 packs of this Janet collection hair. They sent me 8 packs of these butterfly born crochet locks. When I tell y'all I'm gonna have a time with these, I'm gonna have a time with these. Do you understand me? Okay, so let me sit back down. And that's not all they sent me either. They sent me their Slick and Slay. So it's 2-in-1. It's a braid and edge gel, and it has ultra extreme hold. Now y'all know I'm queen of like slaying my edges, right? Like I done cracked the code to slaying my edges and things like that. So I'm definitely excited for this. I think this is the main thing I'm excited for. And this is the greatest gel invented for 4C natural hair and all curly hair types. So if this holds down 4C hair, I definitely know it's going to hold down mine, because I don't have 4C hair. I have type 4 hair, but it's not 4C. It's not quite that coily. So yeah, if this works on 4C hair, I know it's gonna work on mine. So I'm definitely excited for that. And this is what it looks like. It's the Slick and Slay 2-in-1, and it comes in a big jar. This is a nice size jar. How many? This is 5 fluid ounces, so this is a nice size. Let's see. Ooh, it comes out. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I don't really mind it. I don't really mind that it comes out. But yeah, it comes in 5 ounces. It smells decent. I've definitely had some edge controls stank, and I didn't want to put them in my head. The brand shall remain nameless. But yeah, this is the Slick and Slay edge control. I'm so excited. So I don't know if I'm gonna do these myself or if I'm going to pay my braider to do them. I'm not sure. I have to work those out. However, these braids, they still doing their thing and they still look pretty good. So I'm not gonna take these down just to put those in. That's not happening. These still look pretty good, and I washed these. This is my second time washing these braids, and they look this good. So yeah, you can definitely wash your protective style, your hair, if it's in protective styles, and it just makes it look more natural. You know what I'm saying? I don't really need all those parts and stuff, you know what I mean? I don't need it. I like it. It just gives a bohemian look, bohemian gal, you know what I mean? Like I look like an island princess. And with these locks, I'm gonna be Rapunzel. All right, so let's talk about them. How many come in a pack? First of all, number one, I love the length. So I picked this length, 36 inches, because it's something that I never had before, and I want it to be like Bohemian Rapunzel black girl magic princess. That's what I was going for. So I know these are gonna be cute on me because I love braids and mini twists and twists on me. I feel like braids are like my favorite style to do on myself, especially braids with my real hair. So I just wanted to, I thought these would be fun. I'm trying to flip it over so it doesn't, they're so long. Okay, I like how it's curly at the end, because some locks that I saw watching their installs, some locks are not curly at the end, like they have to add the curly hair themselves. So I like that the hair is curly at the ends. I really like that. And I like that the locks look distressed. They don't look too uniform. Like, I don't know, I saw a picture of some locks and they look too uniform, like they almost looked, it's like they looked fake, even though of course I know these are fake, right? They look natural. Does that make sense? Like, I like the distressed bohemian look, so when I add my seashells in there, it'll look nice and messy, and I don't know, I like that look. And I like how skinny they are. They're not too thick, meaning I'm not really sure how many packs I'm gonna use, but I'm glad they sent me 8 packs because I do have a lot of hair. But I like that they're skinny, so that way when I install them in my hair, they're not gonna be it's not gonna be too much hair, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be too bulky. Like, I feel like they took that into consideration because the hair is already gonna be long. You don't want length and weight, you get what I'm saying? So these are nice and skinny, and I feel like they're gonna be nice and flowy on my head as well. Y'all, I'm so excited. Yeah, they feel good too. They feel like locks. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm just mesmerized by the length of these. Like, they're so long. And I'm 5'4". This comes to my kneecap. These come to my kneecap. So if you are 5'4" and you want some butterfly born locks and you want them to be 36 inches, they're gonna come to your kneecap. If you're taller, of course, you know, tall girls really don't have to worry about inches. But yeah, I just wanted to be bust down Rapunzel with my braid, bust down Bohemian Rapunzel black girl magic. That's what I thought these was giving. So I was like, you know what, let me try 36 inches. So I got the color 1, and they have 1B, 2, 4, 27, 30, 6, 13, burgundy, icy. I seen a girl with gray. So yeah, these are the available colors. I'm not sure if they're in beauty supply stores yet, but keep a look out. Like I said, they're by the Janet Collection. And the Knowledge Rest. Extremely long braid. Like, that's what it says. Extreme long braid. 36 inches is a lot of hair. Okay? Like, look. I think this model is tall because I think she's just tall. Because these don't come to her kneecap. I think she gotta be a tall Amazon woman. Because, like, if they start here, yeah, she has to be tall. Because, all right, y'all, so I am definitely excited. Stay tuned for that video. I'm definitely gonna do some styles with that hair. I'm super excited. I still love my braids. I'm not taking these down. I think they're cute. I added some seashells, you know, and some silver. My brother was like, is that foil in your head? Wait, stop. I was like, you kidding me? Like, you can't just say it's cute. Anyway, yeah, so stay tuned for that video, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Skylar Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Skylar Latrice 98. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.